watch and see this. Enjoy the marvelous beauty in nature. Nature is gold. I heard about, and there is no doubt about nature is gold. This is the treasure of gold, treasure of nature, treasure in nature. Oh my goodness, what a great cat, beautiful cat. This is indeed a lovable and adorable mother cat. Cats therapy is good for your life, relaxation, and I just love cats. Pamper cats as therapy for happiness and relaxation. Will you do that? You'll have to choose a beautiful cat, lovable cat like that. Oh. Oh my sweetheart, my cat darling, my life and my love, my passion and friend. You are the best friend of my life. Cats are my friends. I love cats and animals so much. Oh, believe me, she wants, she is asking me, please pamper me, man. Love me, pamper me because I love you and you love me. Cats are great animals, lovable animals. Animals are very intelligent. This cat is so much sensible and intelligent. She realized I give her time, I pamper her, I love her. That's why she's sitting nearby me and she's just enjoying the time with me. I am enjoying the time with this cat. God bless you, my sweet cat. May you live a happy, long life. You are a very beautiful cat in the world. Amazing color of this cat. Just stunning. I do like her, do love her posture. Funniest posture. If you are a nature lover, animals lover, please go to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Bye bye.